What if your website could read your customer's mind? What if it knew exactly what to show them? Their perfect product to recommend at checkout, and the perfect thing to say after they already bought it to get them to go shopping again right then and there. In this video, we are going to be doing a quick 5-minute audit or a 5-minute e-commerce funnel audit just to really see potentially where you could be making more money, more areas that you can improve in on your site, and overall how to make more out of every lead or visit you get to your e-commerce platform. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So number one is going to be the chameleon homepage. Now, does your site show the same exact products to a 10-year-old child as it would to a 55-year-old woman? Does your website adapt to who's looking at it, or does it adapt or learn from their past visits or behavior overall? Now, if you pay attention to Amazon, it will always have recommendations for you based off of your past purchases, what you look for in the shop. Not only Amazon, but I know a lot of other stores do it too. Like Temu, they're really good at it. You look at one product that's completely random, it's going to show you way more items based off of that, combined with other things that you might like as well. So really having something like this on your page, especially if you're more of a diverse seller, like you don't only sell one type of item. Like if you only sell socks, then maybe not. But the more diverse you are, the more something like this can help with. Now, to set this up, typically is done by having a plugin on your site, depending on where you sell. Of course, this is all use case dependent on where you sell, how you're selling, all that. But typically, you don't have to be a coder to get this done. There's plugins natively on sites, and or a few plugins that you can get from Chrome, or not Chrome. Again, you can just find a plugin for whatever you're selling on and it should be there. Pretty much how it works is the app connects to your product catalog and your customer data, and then it uses that to let the AI find recommendations based off of their footprints and where they've been. Number two is the mind reading search bar. Now, imagine if a person searches up jeans, right? If you don't have a mind reading search bar, it's not going to know, okay, they meant jeans. Or if they search up something like, let's say, yoga pants flare, right? Or example, boom, just like this. I accidentally misspelt it. So if your search bar doesn't naturally have the capability to fix it, boom, just like that, you could be losing out on potential sales right there. Because again, not everyone is going to realize that, oh, I made a mistake. They're going to see that they typed it in, but nothing came up, meaning you probably don't have it, and they might not want to spend the extra 30, 60 seconds really checking the site. They might just click off, go to Amazon, Temu, Shein, whatever, and get it done. So again, the process for this one, there should be an app. Again, I'm not going to get to how to do all this because it really depends on the platform you're on. If it's hard-coded, Shopify, Wix, whatever, it depends on the platform. But overall, after you install this, typically it's just a plugin, and or you just got to code in some logic. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This one isn't really that complex. You get the point of this one. Number three, the Smart Rescue automated cart abandonment. Now, I made a workflow video on this inside of N8N recently, like a week or two ago. I'll put it somewhere over here. But pretty much how this one works is you have a customer or a visitor to your website put something in their cart, but they don't buy it. Actually, I have it right here. So pretty much how it works is they add it to their cart. After 24, 48 hours, it'll check, say, hey, did this person actually go through the workflow? Did they not? Did they? Whatever. And if they didn't buy it, they'll get an email saying, hey, come back and buy it again, or come back and buy it finally. And then it'll keep doing that same reminder system until they finally buy it, and or set on time, like 4 or 5 emails down the line. They don't do it, then just let it go. But super handy to have. Some places might have it naturally, again, Shopify, whatever, it depends on the platform. But the N8N workflow is a little bit more customizable. But if you don't have the time, or you don't want to hire someone to make it for you, whatever. There are systems like MailChimp, etc., that have this built in already. So it really depends on, again, platform you're selling on and how you want to get it done. Number 4 is the AOV booster, the AI checkout upsells. Now, after you buy something, again, Amazon is a great example of this. After you buy something, they recommend you do something else immediately after. You just bought socks. Okay, well, do you need shoes to go with it? If you just bought foundation for makeup, do you need highlight or blush to go with it? You know, they're always going to get you to buy something else right then and there to get the extra sell. They're always trying to upsell you. Now, again, you could have something like this potentially added in, or if you want, there is, again, plugins and or built-in features depending on the platform you're selling on. Definitely check, learn the platform you're selling on and all the ins and outs of it, because you don't want to get to the point where you have all these ideas, you want to update your site, you want to get more sales going, but you have no idea how to do it. Make sure you learn your platform and or hire somebody that knows how to do this. Now, if you're interested in getting something like this and or your abandoned cart automation system set up, click the link down below, book a free 15, 10, 20 minute call, depending on the situation, and we can sit down and really discuss all your pain points that you're going through and see where AI and automation can come in and save you not only time and money, but at the same time allow you to free up your own personal life. So if you're interested, click the link down below. I'll talk to you soon. But getting back into it, super handy, easy way to make extra $15, $20 per sale is really by having something like this installed on your website. Now, number 5, the perpetual funnel, the dynamic thank you page. Actually, no. I'm getting these completely mixed up. This is the one. So this is number 4. Well, I was talking about the upselling based on AI and all that. Right here, what I meant to say was, what I meant to say was, if they're buying something like a camera, they might need an SD card and or a case or a new lens, whatever to go with it. You want to make sure that the upsell is happening to get them to buy something else with that one purchase. This one right here is for the afterwards. I messed it up completely, but you get the point. So number 4, getting them to buy something else along with the product. If they're buying a camera, you want them to buy a lens or SD card. If they're buying a MacBook, you want them to buy a case and or a headphones, their Beats, whatever to go with it. And the thank you page after they buy it, you want to give them something more than just thank you for checking out. Your product will be here within the next 10 to 15 days. Get them to buy again. Give them something more. Give them a coupon to buy again right then and there. Oh, you just purchased? Boom. Here's a $15 off coupon for anything over $15, or anything over $50, whatever. Super simple. Definitely recommend it. Again, if you get all this installed, you can have a fire e-commerce page. And if you need help setting any of this up, click the link down below, book a free call, talk to you soon. Highly recommend you do it. So if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you.